This is the moment I started wondering if we'd made a mistake. Snow in June, real exposure, and the scariest scrambling I've done to date. This is Grizzly Peak, but not the way most people do it. Located in Kananaskis, Grizzly Peak is normally a 6.5 kilometer out and back hike, but not today. We'll follow the main trail to a huge gully. Then it's helmets on as we start our ascent. The next 400 meters of elevation is all hands on rock. Sustained class 3 and 4 scrambling with a touch of 5th class climbing. We'll top out, cruise the ridge, and descend the trail. But make no mistake, this demands real scrambling experience and a solid head for exposure. No matter which route you take, the trail starts right here on the side of Highway 40, one of Canada's most beautiful highways.
We've had a little confusion around which gully to take. We don't have a guidebook, but what we do know is it's the eastmost gully on the path up to the peak. And I think it's this gully right here. Oh, classic Alberta weather! Just changed on us. We're gonna head up this gully and see where it takes us. All right, it's helmet time. Helmets are on, poles are packed away, and the snowstorm's coming, so we're gonna get moving as quick as we can here. We'll soon find out. We're about 2 hours in and we're well into the gully now. Thankfully, the snow has gone away and all the boys have made their own little routes up the mountain, and this is really actually quite fun. There you go, Pascal special. We got caught in another snowstorm coming up that snowpack down there, and that was really terrifying, but we all made it and we're almost at the top. Yeah, very, very scary, but very fun. we're thinking we might have come up the wrong gully because there's one just here right next to it, a little bit more east than the gully we came up, and it looks much more friendly than the stuff we were doing. And there might be another one on the other side. So yeah, maybe don't follow the route we did, but we're still not at the top. We're gonna get over this rock, hopefully be at the peak and beat this cloud ceiling that's coming in behind us. All right, we're now on the ceiling.
In the clouds.
So there's a bit of 5-6 climbing in this, or on this route. We think we've just found it, but the cloud has also found us. So I'm gonna put this camera away and get up here as quick as I can.
That'll probably help. Oh, is that an Alpine Neon on a 5.6?
That 5-6 up. Turns out it wasn't cloud, it was more snow. Sick. Come do a little fist bump. We reached the peak, guys. Hell yeah. So yeah, we've just reached the summit, and unfortunately the cloud has beat us here, which is a shame because apparently this mountain has some of the best views in all of Kananaskis. And having hiked the nearby King Creek Ridge, which is just behind me, I can vouch for that a bit. It was absolutely stunning when I did that hike. The sun's actually blowing through the cloud a bit. Let's see if it comes through. But we're not too keen on staying up here too long, so we'll probably get down and do a little debrief at the car. Right, we are back where we started the scramble, and we didn't see any other gullies on the way down, so this one has to be the correct one. Although I think we made a mistake in that the gully splits into fingers about halfway up, and we stuck to the leftmost finger. I think we should have went to the middle or maybe the right, because it does say online to stick to the east. So, a bit of advice for you, maybe do that, because those routes looked a little bit less sketchy. Our route, we were definitely doing class 5 stuff there at one point. It was very, very scary, but we got through it. Boom. Right, we're back at the truck after 5.5 hours. What do you think, guys? Were the vibes high?
Holy shit.
Yeah? Longest 800 meters of our life. Do we think that's a beginner scramble? No, definitely not. We're all different levels of like climbing ability. We find that pretty tough, but probably is easier when there's no snow there. So don't come and do this as your first scramble, but definitely put it on your list for something to do when you're a bit more advanced. You guys have done more scrambles than me. Would you say this is one of the best scrambles in the Rockies? No. No?
There's more enjoyable ones.
Okay, but in terms of like technicality?
Yeah, it's a good one. Yeah, it's a good
Okay, so it's a very good technical scramble, but maybe not the most fun. But yeah, that's it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this has been useful or insightful or entertaining. If it has, please hit the like button to let YouTube know you liked it, and that'll push it out to other people who might also like it as well. Anyways, that's it for this one, guys. Thank you very much, and I'll catch you in the next one.